Slay. To do something exceptionally well. You just explained quantum physics to your cat. Slay, Einstein. Slay. Throw shade, criticize, or disrespect someone indirectly. Like when your friend posts a gym selfie and you comment, "Wow, I didn't know they allowed phones in wax museums." Tea. Gossip or drama. Spill the tea about last night's Zoom party. Salty. Upset or bitter. Why so salty? Did someone use Comic Sans in a work email again? Flex. To show off. Weird flex, but okay. When your friend brags about their ability to eat a whole pizza in one sitting. Ghosting. Suddenly cutting off all communication. Like what your motivation does every Monday morning. Adulting. Behaving like a responsible adult. I paid my bills on time today. Adulting level expert. Hangry. Angry due to hunger. Sorry I yelled at you for breathing too loud. I was hangry. Romance. A close, non romantic friendship between men. Think Batman and Robin, but with less spandex. Humble brag. Subtly boasting about oneself. Ah, I hate when my wallet's too small for my 50s. Thirsty. Desperately seeking attention or approval. Like your Instagram feed after you haven't posted for one day. Extra. Over the top or excessive. Wearing a tuxedo to McDonald's? That's so extra. Lit. Exciting or excellent. This party is lit. No actual file required. Snatched. Looking good or on point. Your eyebrows are snatched today. Woke. Being aware of social issues. I started composting my leftovers. I'm so woke right now. Cancelled. Culturally boycotted. He put pineapple on pizza. He's cancelled. Yada yada yada. Used to gloss over boring details. I went to the store, yada yada yada, and now I own a llama. Boogie. Short for bourgeois. Fancy or high class. Look at Mr. Boogie over there with his sparkling water. Clap back, a quick, sharp, and often witty response. Like what you wish you'd said to that rude cashier 3 hours later. Low key. Secretly or subtly. I'm low key obsessed with that new K pop group. Thank you for joining today's lesson. If you enjoyed the content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to stay updated on future videos. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this lesson helpful. You may also find these related videos useful. Until next time, take care and stay safe.